All right, ladies and gentlemen, Sheezy's Auto coming at you today. Listen, today's topic is factory radios. I'm happen to be working on a 2005 Chevy Cobalt, but this goes for a lot of these factory radios. Engineers that create these cars and designs and all this stuff, bro, what are you thinking? Listen, man. You see this radio right here? It's a factory radio, right? First of all, look at all this, everything you gotta take off to even get the radio out, right? So you mean to tell me that somebody's gonna steal this radio and put it in their car? Because these radios right here, which is what happened was with a lot of these radios, someone had this car and they put in an aftermarket radio. A lot of GMs do this. So when you take this radio out and then you go to get rid of the car and put this radio back in, it ain't gonna work. It says locked. That's what this one says. I could plug it in and show you. But different radios do different stuff. A lot of GMs, they all lock up. So what they're supposed to be doing is keeping for somebody from stealing this radio out of here, out the factory radio, and putting it in their car. Bro, I'm from the hood. I've been messing with cars forever. I ain't never seen a hood dude pull up on me in one of his old schools or cars talking about, yeah, I just hit a lick on this factory radio out this Chevy Cobalt and threw it in my joint. Like, first of all, you can't even put a system on here. There's no RCs. There's nothing, bro. And I've been in the hood forever. I ain't never seen nobody roll up on me. First of all, what old school is you gonna just throw this? I could even see if it was like the smaller radios like this, you know what I mean? As far as a factory, okay, maybe somebody that pressed to steal, but now I could be wrong. You know, it's always that one fool that's gonna pop up like, no, I know somebody who he be taking. Okay, that's that 1 in a million. But for the most part, and I hope Chevy engineers and workers, you need to make this go viral with all the car companies. Like, bro, stop it. No one is stealing these radios. No one is throwing this in an old school. This is not a hot commodity in the streets. This is when a lot of people that's in the cars and radios, when they get a car like this with these radios, guess what they do? That's what we think about your factory radio with your dumbass security codes. You gotta call this, you gotta press this button, push this, do this, get the codes. Now they got it where you gotta get the codes, call in to the dealer and get the code somehow and put it in. That's if you want to do it yourself, or you got to take it to the dealership and pay them, $100, $200 to reprogram that jank ass radio out there. That's crazy. Anyway, if you need somebody, if you having this problem and you locked up, yo, go get you a little radio. You can get a little Bluetooth radio from Walmart. It don't even look like this. The one from Walmart it only got half of this. And the reason is because this is a CD player. I'm just putting this in now just to get the wiring done because I ordered one from Walmart. And it should be here. But I'm just getting the wiring done. I could have got the wire harness and all that, but I'm impatient. And I don't got time for that. I'm about to wire it in myself, hardwire it in myself. But I'm going to end this video with, please, man, from now on, the only thing you doing when y'all do this is cost the customer. That's the only person that inconveniences. It does not inconvenience a thief, a car thief, somebody jacking radios. I know them dudes personally. I ain't never seen them take no damn factory. I ain't never heard nobody about to hit a lick on a factory radio. Especially I know Chevy Cobalt, bro. Like, they not breaking in Cobalts to steal the... All right, I'm done, man. You inconvenience me today, GM, Chevy. Why don't y'all call me with the code? Let me know what the code is, bro. And I'm going to tell you to take that code,